In this video, I'm going to show you a promo code to use in Ghana. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So if you're looking for one SBL promo code to use in Ghana, this is exactly what you should do. The first thing, come back to this page here and click on registration. Once you click registration, you're going to take the third option that says by email. The option that says by email is the only option that is going to allow you to activate and really receive a bonus in OneXBet. Once you're here, fill in your surname and your name, and in your country, you're going to search for Ghana. Once you choose Ghana, the currency is going to change to Ghanaian cedi, and you're going to put in your date of birth, your email address, your phone number, then create a password. To create a password, use these four requirements. Once your password has been created, in the box here, you're going to use the promo code LEOTV. If you use the promo code LEOTV, Honestbet is going to give you a 30% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit 1,000 Ghanaian cedi, you're going to receive 3,000 as a bonus. So once that's done, hit on these three boxes and click on register. After registration, complete your first deposit immediately so that you're going to receive your bonus. And that's the best promo code to use if you're in Ghana.